Hello viewers, welcome to my Tech Updates official YouTube channel powered by technologyrss.com. Hello, in this tutorial how to install MSSQL Server 2019 on Ubuntu 16.04. I want to show full installation process. This is my server information, operating system, RAM 2GB, 2.5 GB, disk 25 GB, address, CPU, true, service, MSSQL Server 2019 16.04. check IP. This is my server IP address. Server must be update and upgrade using this command. Server update and upgrade done. Install software properties common. This is already done, so you can run this command apt auto move Y. Now add Microsoft key server URL. This is status OK, and add repository MSSQL Server 2019 and Ubuntu 16.04 repository. And then run update command. Update done. Now install MSSQL Server using this command. Now download this installation file, 245 MB. Installation done. Now set up MySQL configuration. Choose an edition of SQL Server. 1 is evaluation, this is free. Developer is free. Express is free. And 4 to 8 all version is paid version. So now I select free version, developer version 2. And do you accept the license term? Must be yes. And enter the SQL system administrator password, must be a strong password. Configuring SQL Server. Force flash is enabled for this instance. Yes. Setup has completed successfully. SQL Server is now starting. Now check service status. Yes, successfully start MSSQL service. Now install MSSQL CMD for using from terminal. So add this key server, then add a repo, then run apt update. Now install apt MSSQL tool Unix ODBC dev. install option Y. Then using SQL CMD for manage your MSSQL database. Configure, do you accept the license term? Must be yes. Do you accept the license term? MSSQL tools, yes. Installation done. Now try to log in SQL CMD. Command not found. OPT MSSQL tools bin. This is add must be base profile, and another the bash HRC file, then source, and then try to log in. Yes, login successfully. Now create database testdb. Select name from sys database and then go. Yes, this is successfully created database. Use testdb. Create table inventory and add value into table, then go. Yes, on row is affected, on rows is affected. Then select a star from inventory, go. Yes, ID, name, quantity. This is ID, name and quantity, and 2 orange and 154. This is 2 orange 154. This is data, and this is this table name is inventory. This table name is inventory. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please submit your valuable comments. Please subscribe my channel, like and share with others, and don't forget press the bell icon, get the first notification.